So there are lots of happening in sport, and Tahir Bhai is with us today. How are you, Tahir Bhai?
May good Akib, God is very kind to me. Thank you. What about you both?
Alhamdulillah. How are you doing, Shazain?
I am fine. What about you?
I'm fine, Alhamdulillah. And Tahir Bhai, what do you say? We were discussing earlier about Danish Kanaria's statement regarding not Pakistan should, sorry, India should not come to Pakistan, and he's always been posting some hatred comments towards Pakistan, even on his YouTube channels and other platforms. What do you say that why he hates Pakistan so much?
Akib, Danish Canaria has been among my favorite players since my childhood. But when I heard this statement from the Danish Canaria, but I should remind you that it is not the first time that Danish Canaria have given these sort of pathetic statements which can be harmful for the fans. But I am equally sad as you that Danish Canaria should be abide by such statements that Pakistan Indian series. The visit of India is also very crucial in the upcoming days in Pakistan. But if Danish Canaria should give if Danish Canaria is giving such statement, it will definitely ruin the tour of Pakistan and India, and also the humanity and mental match among the both countries will be destabilized. If Danish Canaria is too much in tension in Pakistan, if Hindus are not given proper rights, then why Danish Canaria is not thinking to quit its nationality? He should settle in India with his whole family. Then I am sure, I can guarantee you, I can bet you, within a few minutes, he will miss the Pakistan. He will request the authorities to please restate my nationality of Pakistan. I want to come back. I think Danish
He
Canaria...
played for Pakistan, but he hates.
Yeah, Danish Canaria is great player, but such statement from the Danish Canaria are not a good show.
Tahir Bhai, he claimed PCB did not help him in match fixing case and all. You know, he claims that PCB did not help him in his match fixing problems and all of those things.
Akib, how PCB could save him if you have have been indulged in match fixing and other issues? These are your issues, not the PCB's issues, right? You are indulged in match fixing, then PCB can't do anything. You are the one who have to justify yourself. What can PCB do over here? It can give you just moral support, but the allegations and issues are at your end. You are the one, and you are the player of this race, and you are the jockey of your horse in this race. So you should defend yourself. If you are not guilty, if you are white, then definitely PCB will accommodate you to come back into the team.
But there is a news which you were wanting to share that a fan purchased 800 tickets for the first match. You are sharing a news.
I shared the news there. And fan, if you can read that news in depth, the purpose of buying the 800 ticket was he want to make the Pakistani flag. And the views of our international fans were that he want to say that we should support our team at any cost. If Pakistan exists, then definitely this team should exist. We should back up our team in good and bad times. So that's the reason he want to make the Pakistani flag, and pre-arrangements are also in progress. And we will see that a good show in this 800 seating area.
And Tahir Bhai, lastly, before we conclude, PCB has obviously demanded a written letter from ICC. Are you worried that, like 2008, maybe this time the tournament could also move again to South Africa, like it happened 15-16 years ago? You saw a picture yesterday that this has happened before.
If this tournament move to South Africa,
and they're talking about Quetta also,
and then it will be the biggest lose of Pakistan before the start of this event. In my opinion, Pakistan will be losing its champion trophy final. It will be equal to losing the final of Champions Trophy if the venue change. I think PCB should stick to it. The issue is in Quetta, but and remember, we are not organizing even a single match or single ball net practice in Quetta. So why India is making it issue? If I am not wrong, India might be helping the issues occurring in the Quetta. That's why India is blaming it, and it might be. I think proper investigation should be taken place.
Did India forget Mumbai attacks?
Yeah, Mumbai attacks, Oberoi Hotel attacks are also done in past. But does these attacks stop the sports or cricket in India? Our country went there in 2011. We went there in 2007. We went there November 2007. 2009 we went there. So Akib, India should abide by such issues and should be focused on maintaining the bilateral relationship both the countries.
And Tahir Bhai, Mohammad Rizwan has praised Grayson Gillespie, Pakistan's new head coach, that he basically turned around Pakistan's difficult performances towards victory. And initially he was getting criticized when we lost to Bangladesh. How do you see this dramatic turnaround in 1 month or so?
Hakim, now see the difference. Just see the difference. The difference is at that point of time there were two brains, Gary and
Jason.
Jason. Now see the implications of single brain. Gary out, only Jason is on the riding stance, and he totally dominated the team and done his all the experiments, and the result is in front of you. Pakistan wrapped up the series, and he was also the native Australian. So that's the Akif professionalism. Despite the fact of being the Australian national and the former player of Australian team, but still he supported the Pakistani team. That's the professionalism.
And he brought the team together.
He brought the team together and end the series in the victory note. If there could be, and he could have done against it because he was Australian national, his sympathies could have been changed with the Australian team.
Yes.
But he said no. Currently, I'm associated with Pakistan. I'm getting pay of it, and it's a matter of the dignity of my profession. I should be professional. I feel should depict the professionalism. That's why Akif Rizwan also praised his role in wrapping up the series, and I am grateful that Rizwan has supported the stance of its coach.
And don't you think that local coach should also learn lesson from Gary and Jason? Because whenever local coach comes, this grouping, many issues come in the Pakistan team. They're not able to handle the team properly.
That's the issue. Remember,
Management issues come
in 2010-11 when Waqar Bhai was with the team, there were a lot of issues. Even Ibtur Rasaq used to claim that
Misbah
Bhai
was considered too powerful.
And these issues have been definitely occurred with the local players. But remember the South African coach who came, who was the bald hairstyle, what was his name? Who just ended the career of Kamran Akmal.
Morne Mokal.
No, Morne Mokal. There was also Australian. He was a bulky. He was also
Matthew Eden.
Sorry, South African coach came here. Who was against the Kamran Akmal. I just forgot his name. But so Akif, there were issues. International coaches come with the authority. They show the authority. If you are perfect fit for the team, you will remain in the team.
But do you think that coach should being given authority to select the team? Like people said, Misbah Bhai had a lot of authority, influence selection and everything.
Definitely, Akif coaches
should get beat with the captain.
Definitely, Akif coaches should give the authority. But unfortunately, in Pakistan, under the coach, we also have 7, 8 other parties who are responsible for selecting the team. Then what are the implications of this? There are negative implications. Everyone do his own choice, and team shattered in the mega event. It is a good show that we've seen that Jason has played his full power and he made the Pakistani team to end the series in the victory note.
Thank you so much for your time, and inshallah tomorrow again we'll have even another video. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Like, share and subscribe to Sports here for more content like this. Till then, it is good from me, Tayyab and Shah inside. Give yourself and love.